Welcome to another episode on our channel. I'll be unboxing Angelica from the Pirates of the Caribbean. Even though it's not in a Hot Toys box, I got it off of eBay for a pretty good price, so I was happy just to get it. Even, again, though I didn't have a Hot Toys box with it. This was made in 2012. But what I like about this box is that it's texturized. So without any further ado, let's pull this baby out and see what we have. So let's see what we have with Angelica, who is portrayed by Penélope Cruz in the Pirates of the Caribbean. So I usually start with hands, and she has two left hands. One is a smaller grip size and one is a larger grip size. There are rings on her fingers for both hands. That's the right hand. And it looks like she has one left hand. This one comes with a bracer or a fingerless glove that's really long. It is a grasping hand as well. And there are rings on the thumb and on one of the fingers as well. Oh, this is kind of neat. I didn't notice this before. Tattoos of crosses on the side of each hand. You might not be able to see it, but hopefully in a close-up you can. She comes with an extra set of wrist connectors, again, just in case you break something. That's always nice. There is a hat, and it's cool. It has a nice feather attached to it. That's very nice. What else? Looks like this is a necklace with a cross on it. I'll open it up when we break. It might take me forever to get that thing open, but it's a necklace with a cross on it. She has two drinking cups. That's very cool. They're very ornate, very nice, nicely designed. She has, oh, this is cute. She has a little, like, I don't know if I want to call it a voodoo doll of Jack Sparrow, Captain Sparrow. It has some resemblance to him, but it's doll-like. She has, I'm going to guess it's a compass, and it opens. That is very nice. Well, this is a cool sword. I love this one. It's metal, or a metal alloy or something like that. It's not plastic. So it's very nice looking. Yeah. Sharp. And with it comes a sheath. Now, this is plastic. Yeah. But it should fit nicely, and it does. It's cool. And she's got two swords. It's like a cutlass. It's made out of metal again. Yeah. And I assume, yeah, it goes through this somehow. Probably like that. This is very ornate. I love it. It reminds me of I want to say Pirates, Princess Bride. Yeah, with that. No. Oh, no. It, the Guardsman, Ignite. The Guardsman, the French Guardsman, had a very ornate place to put the sword. Very nice looking. This reminds me of that. So that's cool. She's got 2 swords. She's got a little dagger. So she comes well armed. I'm assuming she definitely has been displayed. Yeah, her hair is a bit of a mess. We'll have to smooth that down with something. But she looks awesome. Yeah, she looks great. I get her head a little more this way. Yeah, I love it when you've got a good head sculpt. The eyes are very visible for a female, and rooted hair makes a big difference. Her outfit is absolutely stunning. She's got these boots on. She's got the pants. She's got like a corset, and then place a belt that kind of hangs down. She's got a white shirt underneath her. This is a purple tone coat. Absolutely nice. So, oh, and last but not least, she does have her stand, which says Angelica on it, Pirates of the Caribbean. And the thing that goes into the stand. Let's see if this goes in nicely. Love it when it does. All right, and she does have instructions. So that's cool. I don't think we'll need that per se. So what we'll do now is pause, let me get her set up, look at her from different angles, and yeah, she looks awesome though. We are back, and Angelica, portrayed by Penelope Cruz, is stunning. I love this outfit. This shade of purple, this hue, is very calm. It's not bright in your face purple. It's very subdued. I love it, and it really contrasts very nicely with the black pants and the black corset. It has some gold lining down the middle, the gold necklace with a cross on it, and this, what is supposed to be the leather-like thing that holds her sword, is actually made out of plastic, but it is so ornate and nice looking. I just love it. So you can see the design on there. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can actually put either the cutlass in here, or you can take the cutlass out and put the sheath with this sword into that opening. So you have 2 choices. That's pretty cool, actually. You have a dagger. I'm not sure where to put it, but I guess the only place I think it would really be good to place it would be in her belt somewhere. I probably wouldn't even pose her with the dagger for fear of losing it. But I love everything on her. The hat, I love the rooted hair. I love the long white sleeves. Oh my gosh. Everything about her is just absolutely wonderful. So we'll pause now. Actually, I already have Angelica from the Pirates of the Caribbean, but I wanted to get another one to do a customization project. We'll see what happens. But anyway, she's gorgeous, right? So let's turn her around so you can see her from different angles, and then we'll get some close-ups of her. That jacket is just awesome. That coat, I should say. Long white sleeves, again, awesome. Good touch. Look at the pleats in the back. So realistic, the feather in her hat. The long boots, the black pants, the corset, and the white shirt. Yeah, she's looking very good. So we'll pause now and get some tighter close-ups of her. Here she is, and you can see more details in her face, the dark eyes, the eyeliner, all that stuff. The rooted hair. I really like it when they have rooted hair. And the outfit, just stunning. We'll turn her around so you can see the cutlass. Sleeves again. All those pleats in the back. The feather in her hat again. Yeah, and even an earring hanging from the side. And that gaze. Absolutely stunning. All right, we'll pause now and get a close-up of her face. In general, I find that toy makers really struggle tremendously with the facial details of female head sculpts. But in this case, Hot Toys definitely got it right with Penelope Cruz. Here's one last look at Our Lady of the Hour. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, have a great day.